All right, I can't tell you how excited I am right now. After all the digging and getting this trench ready and all the effort that it took for me to drill these $10 a piece holes, because I tore up the drill bit, there's a short coming out about it. I finally get to put one of these cables into the ditch, and we're going to start with the electric line that's running out to the well, and I'm throwing this conduit on it to keep it from getting hit by the UV or by the sun. And then as soon as we're done running this, we'll run a second one out to the RV pad, and then we'll run the Cat 5 out to the well, and we can start buttoning up this ditch. All right, the first thing that I had to do is get this heavy as can be cable out of my shipping container. It's like 200 some odd feet of really thick aluminum cable. I went a little overkill, but I think in the end it'll work out because I don't ever have to worry about pushing too much amperage this distance. So what I decided to do is I decided to use the skid steer to move it from the shipping container over to the end of the run and then slowly start stretching it out. So now we got to get to stretching the cable out. It didn't work exactly like I planned. I had this grand idea in my head that I would just pull it and it would spin off the bar that I stuck through it, but it didn't happen at all. But it did help because all I did was pull a couple rings off each time and then stretch it out. What I didn't want to happen is I didn't want to cause one big ball of cable that was tangled up. That's the reason I didn't lay it on its side to unroll it. All right. We all know I did a video before about how I feel about these step drills. So I took it to the extreme. This step drill goes all the way to 2 3/8. I need it about till here, so I'm about to go tape it so I know how far I need to go in. We'll see how this does against the shipping container.
It was not on the drill? No.
Well, that's good. We got to go check and see where it came through on the other side just to make sure I'm not going to hit the 2x4.
I was going to say the same thing. Like, do you know what's on the other side?
I'm guessing.
Oh, okay. You're good.
The first part wasn't too bad, but as I got the hole bigger and bigger, it just got harder and harder. And yes, this footage is sped up.
You okay?
Yeah, I will say one of the hard things about doing this bit is keeping it straight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Or maybe you don't have
the hole wanders a little bit as it goes. A little bit, not that much, but it does wander. So, what were you saying?
Then you're gonna push it straight either because of your angle yourself too.
Even if I could.
Yeah. Your wrist must be hurt.
Not even done with the first one.
How many do you have to do?
3.
Okay. feels like you are doing a auger,
Yeah.
hurting your wrist. Like you just never know when it's gonna yank you.
Yeah.
It's a strong tool.
Huh?
It is a strong tool. But the shipping container is pretty strong.
When you buy this, they don't tell you what size hole you need to drill. You have to guess. So now I'm stuck having to fight this, drilling essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different holes to figure out what size this needs to be. Meanwhile, getting punched in the face and glasses knocked off and everything else in the process.
Got it done.
Yep. What's that?
Got it done now. That one is done.
Yeah, just gotta smooth it out. Yep. On. Almost.
Last hole.
Yep.
Feels good. You can see that shaving coming out.
I know. That's good.
Good job.
Uh,
That's a pretty good technique.
I don't know how far I need.
That looks cool.
As you can see, it was a little bit difficult to get the cable to go through the conduit and through the fittings. So with a little bit of effort, we were able to get that in and then start putting the rest of the cable into the ditch and started to fill it up. Second to last thing that we had to do is we had to unravel this PEX pipe that we planned to run from the well to the RV pad and then lay it in the ditch. And then as soon as we were done with that, we moved on to... All right, we're on the home stretch. The last thing that we have to do is we have to put this Cat 6 cable in the ditch, and then we have to start backfilling the ditch. I do plan on putting about 6 inches of dirt between the Cat 6 and the power. I don't think it's needed, but it's for some extra insurance for electrical interference. But what this Cat 6 cable will do is it's going out by the well. It's going to give us the ability to put security cameras and an internet access point out there so we can get a better connection. Because currently me working with my wireless access point inside the shipping container is a train wreck. I have to have the shipping container door open to get a clean signal. So got to fix that problem. Exciting times. All right, you made it to the end. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and go down below and let me know how bad I did when I was getting frustrated with that drill. Until next time, thanks.